Get ready, start. Owing to the peculiar circumstances of the case, such a course as you suggest is out of the question, and you will have to follow the procedure in accordance with precedent. Further, you must endeavor to secure Mr. and Mrs. Brown as witnesses, as their evidence is absolutely necessary. The fact of the matter is that you have failed to bear in mind the really essential features in connection with the case and have chiefly borne in mind one or two quite subsidiary points. Side by side with this, you have unfortunately displayed a more or less vindictive spirit which, in our opinion, can only be prejudicial to the success of your claim. Parachange. All parts of the world are becoming, in fact, more and more well known, so that we shall soon regard it as a matter of course that blanks on our maps will grow less and less till in a short space of time they will disappear altogether. Some may exclaim, do you mean to say that at the present time we may, as a matter of fact, look to the time when discoveries will no longer add to our knowledge of the geography of the world in which from first to last we have been so much interested? We shall be glad to hear when such may be looked for. In reply, attention may be called to the facts of the case, and by way of illustration, Africa may be pointed to. For many years past, explorers have plunged deeper and deeper into the hidden recesses of the African continent, and whether right or wrong, they subjugated the savage inhabitants in a more or less complete fashion. Africa was then divided among the European powers, and exploration was carried out to a great extent in the last years of the 19th century, so that we are able to make a very complete map of the whole continent. Stop.